In this video, we're going to talk about calculating beta for a company. If you remember, beta is a measure of sensitivity. It's a measure of risk, market risk, of a particular asset compared to a stock market index. So we need to gather some data. There's already data in a database that I've provided for you. So let's take a company. Let's open the database here. And what we can find, let's use Tesla. So what we want to do is highlight the prices. If you notice, there are 49 prices. The reason for that is you need 2 prices for a return. We need 48 returns, so that means we need 49 pieces of data. So then you just copy that data, and we're going to put it here for the company. And then we'll do copy. There you go. So let's put in here, this is Tesla. That's the company we're looking at. So now let's think about an index. What index would we want to use? Well, we could use the Japanese index, the German index. Here's the S&P 500. There's the Dow Jones Industrial Average. We have small caps, mid caps, right? So all of these are different kinds of indexes. So let's compare it. Let's do something a little different. Let's compare it to the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Again, you copy that to the worksheet and you input the data. So there's the data. Now what you'll notice is it started to calculate returns for you. So we need to take this return, which is the monthly return here, and you need to copy that down for the number of months that we have. So there we have. These are, again, monthly returns for this particular stock market, which is the Dow Jones Industrial Average. So now if you notice up here, it's a 0.94. Now this is monthly return. So if we wanted to annualize that, right, we'd have to do a calculus, or not a calculus, we'd have to do a calculation. Roughly speaking, if you multiply that by 12, right, it's almost 1 times 12. It's about 12% rate of return, probably a little bit less than that because of compounding. So this is the rate of return we have on the stock market index, and this is the rate of return we had on Tesla. Here's the variance, standard deviations, and it is calculated beta. So the stock market's beta is 1.0 as it calculates here, and Tesla is 1.8869. So again, 1.89 is roughly the beta for Tesla. It's almost 2. So it's almost twice as risky as the stock market is in general. And you can also see that it has a higher return, much higher return monthly, but it also is showing what? A much higher level of risk, which we would certainly expect to find in real data. So that's how we calculate beta for a company. See you in the next video.